Google review team. This is closeadeal.ai, a B2B outreach tool that helps users personalize and send their own prospecting emails. In this particular video, I'll show our Google Auth flow, the Gmail scopes we request, exactly how those scopes are used, where we store the data, how users can disconnect Google, and how can delete their data. But before I proceed further, I'll just show you the landing page and what exactly this application does for you. So basically, it saves hours of manual research because we have our own AI fit which does the heavy task of researching the companies, the prospects for you, companies and prospects both, and then it doubles your reply rates by writing a personalized messages that actually get responses and help you close a deal. These are high quality messages and you can generate them in bulk every day. So basically you can now personalize at scale with AI without sounding like AI. It pulls the leads from articles, events, posts and more. So let's get started. Uh, this is the closeadeal.ai domain. This is our landing page. If you click on this, it will take you to the Google sign in page. You click on it. Okay. Yeah, it got it's English now. So it's saying select an account. So this is our account. So this is actually the Supabase uh, name over here. Once we get verified, we can see the closeadeal.ai name. What are the things we're gonna ask for is name and the profile picture as a, and we user is already giving us email address. If you check the policy privacy policies, so you can see what are the data we collect. So we collect the full name, address, company details, login, but this is inserted by the user himself. For the auth API, we connect the name and the address. Yeah, I'll just try to log in once. Hmm. So this is the onboarding page. User cannot move directly to the application's home page unless and until he has done the onboarding for himself. So I'll just say closedeal.ai and call myself as sales manager. I go next. This invokes an AI operation that does the entire research for the company you have put in and the job title that you have put in. So this takes around a minute. Yeah, that's over. So let's call our campaign leads campaign and I'll create bulk messages. Now, once your company is finalized, you can see here closedeal.ai. Now, you have to get the new suggestions for the companies you want to reach out to. So, either you can manually upload that or you can ask our AI to help you with some prospects. It can search for the company you have put in. So, here we have put in closedeal.ai. Let's see what are the companies it will send us in order to reach out to. This is a little time consuming task because it has to gather a lot of information. Uh, Yeah, but and it faced around like five companies uh, to whom we can reach out to. Yeah, we go further. So by default, it has one template. User can click on generate AI for like more templates if we want. So this was an introduction template. Now you can see it's generating a value proposition template, and that's one out of three. Like this, total three templates can be generated. Next one is the problem solution template. And then there is a case study template. Yeah, you can select any template you want. You can select R4, you can select 2, and just move forward. Here we are. User clicks on create bulk message, and the AI will generate the messages for you. Now, it has to generate 6 messages. On an average, it takes around 10 seconds for one message. So, this activity will take around a minute or a little more. Uh, but then you'll see the generated final messages. Uh, Once you create your first campaign, then the home page will be visible for you. And you can see the messages are generated now. Let's see the messages. So this is a message generated for Yamini Rangan, uh, who is into HubSpot. Uh, there are a few more messages. You can just go one for Jeff. And since we had selected two variants for every prospect, it has generated two variants of each message. Okay. Now you can just go here, click on the approve. It got approved, and if you click on send, it's not allowing me to send because the domain is not verified yet. So this is the part where we need the Gmail integration for our application. So if you integrate your Gmail, the user should be able to send the mail from here. I'll just click on connect Gmail. I'll again translate it to English. This is because it's in Dubai. Okay. I'll click on advance, and then I'll click on go, and then I'll say continue. It says this app hasn't been verified by Google. If you're the app developer, this request some of the apps to may be lost. Okay. So it sees the three services. They are, it checks your full name, your profile picture, your gender, your preferred language, any information that you have made publicly available. After that, this app wants permission to see the primary email address associated with the Google account. Then also it wants permission to know who you are on Google and associate you with the personal info you have made public. Okay. We also have the privacy page attached. If I open that one, this is again a link to the privacy page. Yeah, I'll just do continue. It says completing. Gmail integration is successful and it has connected us. So once Google approves this for us, a user should be good to send the mail from in here. So let's say if you have approved yourself, you can click on send and you'll be able to send it if you have collected to the or connected to the Gmail. So the scopes that we ask for are, I'll just show you the scopes. Uh, so see your primary Google account email address, see your personal info, and then one scope is send email on your behalf. These are the three scopes we ask for. That's it about the application. Uh, this is the dashboard, and let's say anytime user comes, he wants to delete the application, can go to the danger zone, delete the application, and we will delete all the data we have stored for this particular user. Now, if I try to log in again, I'll have to go through the new onboarding journey. Yeah, you see, it just doesn't work like that. So, that's how the closeadeal.ai works. I hope we get approval for the Google authentication as well as the Gmail authentication. Thank you.